EndNote is a software package that you can use to collect and organise your references and to create bibliographies. This video will demonstrate different aspects of organising your references in Desktop EndNote. Your EndNote library can be organised in a number of different ways. The default is to order your references by the name of the first author. However, by clicking on one of the fields above the references, EndNote will automatically resort the records. This is how the library looks, resorted by title. To customize the display further, choose Edit and then Preferences. Then choose Display Fields and you can select any elements you want to add or remove. Then click OK and any changes will be displayed on screen. To return to the default display, go back to this screen and select EndNote Default and then click OK, and this will restore the original settings. Records are automatically added to an All References group, but you can also create your own folders to organise your references further. To create a new group, select Groups and then Create Group. The new group will appear under My Groups. You can give the group a name, such as Research Methods, Chapter 1, etc. To add references to a group, you can click to highlight a reference or references and then drag and drop to the relevant group. Alternatively, you can click to highlight a reference and then right-click and then select Add Reference To and select the relevant group name. To see the references in the group, click on the group name and only these references will be displayed on screen. You can click All References to return to your full list. EndNote also includes a feature called Smart Groups. These are dynamic groups of references which will update automatically using selected criteria. To create a smart group, select Groups and then Create Smart Group. A search box will appear on screen. You can choose a name for your new smart group by clicking on New Smart Group and typing your name. You can now set certain criteria for your group, such as particular keywords, authors, ratings, reference types, etc. When you've set your criteria, click Create. Your group will now appear in the left-hand menu. Every time references are added which fit your criteria, they will automatically be sorted into this smart group. Please note that references can appear in multiple groups. Again, to return to the full list of references, select All References. If you want to remove references from a group, you need to first access the group by clicking on the name of the group and then click to highlight the reference you no longer need. Then right-click and choose Remove Reference from Group and select the relevant group name. Please note that this does not remove the reference from your library, it just removes it from this group of references. If you want to edit a group's name or remove an entire group, then go to the Groups menu and choose the relevant command. You can also add colour-coded tags to specific references in EndNote. These are customizable labels to help you organize your references. First, you will need to create a tag. You can either click the plus symbol next to My Tags, or click on Tags and choose Create Tag. You can now type in a name for your tag, choose from 7 different colours, and then click Create Tag. Your tags will then appear in the left-hand pane. To tag a reference, click on that reference and then click Manage Tags. A new screen will open. Click on the relevant tag. Then click OK. Your coloured tag will appear in the central pane. The reference will also be added to My Tags. You can add multiple tags to the same record. If you want to remove a tag from a record, click to select the record and then click the cross next to the tag to remove it. If you require further help with using EndNote, you can email library@mmu.ac.uk and you can access the EndNote guide from the library's homepage, where you will find further information and videos on using the software effectively.